Hey there, what is up? What is going on? So in this video, we're going to be comparing the cameras on the iPhone 11 Pro Max against the new Google Pixel 4 XL. Let's go. Hey there, my name's Sergio with Serge Tech, and in this channel I do tech reviews and tutorials. So if you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit subscribe, go ahead and hit the bell to receive notifications on my future videos. If you want to follow me on Instagram, you can follow me at serge.tech, and without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Alright, so first of all, let's compare the specs on all of the cameras on both devices. So the iPhone 11 Pro Max has 3 rear cameras. It has a ultra wide 12 megapixel camera, a 12 megapixel wide camera, and a 12 megapixel telephoto camera. While the Google Pixel 4 XL has dual rear cameras, a 12 megapixel wide camera, and a 16 megapixel telephoto camera. The iPhone 11 Pro Max is capable of shooting 4K videos at 60 frames per second, while the Google Pixel 4 XL shoots 4K video at 30 frames per second. Both of these devices have dual selfie cameras. However, the iPhone 11 Pro Max has dual 12 megapixel selfie cameras, which are capable of shooting 4K videos of up to 30 frames per second, while the Google Pixel 4 XL has dual 8 megapixel selfie cameras, which are capable of shooting videos at maximum 1080p at 30 frames per second. So the iPhone does have the advantage there on the specs, so we'll see how they perform in real life pictures and videos, which we're going to be comparing right now. Let's go. So here we are recording with both of these devices, Google Pixel 4 XL and the iPhone 11 Pro Max. So here we can kind of compare colors that the cameras receive and the quality and sharpness of the pictures as well. Remember, the iPhone 11 Pro Max does have 4K recording at 60 frames per second, while the Google Pixel 4 XL is limited to 4K at 30 frames per second. So here we have the Google Pixel 4 XL and the iPhone 11 Pro Max. So the iPhone 11 Pro Max does record 4K with the selfie camera at 30 frames per second, while the Google Pixel 4 XL is limited to 1080p at 30 frames per second. So we'll probably notice a big difference here in the camera quality, with the iPhone having the advantage. Let me know in the comments down below which one you think looks better. Also, just let me know which phone overall has better cameras, not just the selfie camera. Let me know in the comments down below. All right, everyone, so there you have all of the pictures and videos to compare between both of these devices. So let me know in the comments down below which phone you think takes better pictures overall, either the iPhone 11 Pro Max or the new Google Pixel 4 and 4 XL. So that is it for this video. Go ahead and give it a like if you enjoyed it. And that's it for this one. I'll see you in the next video. And as always, peace. Ciao.